Sunset choreographed fistfights. Do you get that crickets change pitch based off ambient temperature shifts? They forgot my fruit pie the last time I was there. Is that a shirt or a blouse? Tell me. Those dangly accents around my neck suggest the latter, but now the desert only has high noon to wring answers from. Wild onions stand up nicely to the considerable heat proper destruction requires. My ass, however, turns salmon when people loiter on my grave. Wrinkled egg Google image search morphs into bouquets of learning new words, though only one out of 100 survive to adulthood. Acres of oiled up animals designed to be eaten living, too long, spreading old monstera seeds from their owners' intentionally minimalist apartments, bay windows ajar but unbroken, as if the residents could be back any second. The animals enter scene. They brew malt liquor to camp their stills and carboys to the sewers, where best to protect the juice spilling from scallop-edged underwear. We moon over my child-sized fort left to lichen, termite frass mounted atop Polaroid quality memories, the sandbox my parents laid beneath pocked with inverted cones, declaring ominously the presence of ant lions. Little sinkholes filling in as a metaphor for anything.